This has easily become my favorite trick to carry on me at all times. I never leave the house without it. You take a bill out of your wallet and you proceed to tear a corner off. With nothing else in your hands besides the two pieces, you fuse them back together in the most visual way possible.
You're a gangster, dude.
Was that pretty cool? The best part, you end completely clean. The bill you tear is the bill they examine. The gimmick is self-contained, it can live in your wallet, and that allows you to perform anytime, anywhere. You're gonna love this. The second reason, the method. It's just as incredible as the effect itself. I'm Nicholas Lawrence, and this is Revamp.